Is it still worth buying a KASPA miner? 30 days ago, we got our hands on the brand new IceRiver KS3M. And well, we've been running a test over the last 30 days to see how much this unit has actually made. And well, is it still worth it to buy one? So let's find out. So 30 days ago, we got our hands on the brand new IceRiver KS3M. And huge shout out once again to the team over at Coin Mining Central for coming through and sending us over the KS3M. So let's take a look at this unit, what it should make and what I should have made over the last 30 days. And then let's take an accurate look at the wallet and how much is sitting in there. So if we come over here to Coin Mining Central, they have some of the big boys in here already. Like there's already a KS5 if you guys haven't been familiar. There's a Bitmain and IceRiver. We got a Bitmain KS5 Pro. We got the IceRiver KS5L, the whole alphabet we got going on here, but there's some big boys out there. And then even in the meantime, since the last video, guys, that we made, not only have we had these KS5 series come out, but now we even have the Goldshell KA box miner. And I just got my hands on one of these miners. They are awesome. And I've just had mine rocking and rolling, stacking some KASPA, and it's worked out fantastic. 1.18 terahash. So I would say if you guys are a home miner and you're in the market, I think these are a perfect opportunity for you to go with. And well, I'll be honest, the price is a little steep. It's a little bit high and prices have actually gone up on these units. But if you're just stepping into KASPA mining and you're like, do I get 5 of these? Do I get one of these? What do I buy? One of these big boys? The Goldshell box miners are a great introduction into KASPA. So I have a video. I'll link it directly down below. Go over and check it out. Go over, stop over at Coin Mining Central. You can use my discount code, 𝐻𝐵HOBBYIST, and save yourselves a few bucks on your next KASPA purchase. But let's take a closer look here at the KS3M. So let's pop this up here right now as of today, which is April 7th. And really the pricing of these units changes per day. They're very reflective of what the current price is of KASPA and how the market's doing. Right now it goes for $7,455, and that's USD. 6 terahash at 3,400 watts. And just over 30 days now, we went ahead, if you go over onto YouTube and you type in the IceRiver KS3M, look at that handsome guy that comes up first. Who's this guy right here? Let's take a look. So back on March 8th, we got our hands on the IceRiver KS3M from Coin Mining Central. And it's just for a testing video for 1 month. So we will be sending this back. Even though I don't want to, we will be sending this back to Coin Mining Central. I've really enjoyed stacking the KASPA. However, in the meantime, since then, we've been running this for 1 whole month on via BTC. And we're going to take a look here in just a minute on what the profitability has truly been. Because we could talk a lot about metrics and what it actually has done and theoretically and what it should do and what do these calculators say. But at the end of the day, actually mining to a separate wallet and then taking a look at the daily payouts is really where that math really comes in. If we jump over to Mine the ASIC, let's take a look at what it's saying that we should have done. So if I come over here and we just select our coin here, find KASPA, it's going to go ahead and show us all these crazy profitable KASPA coins. I mean, look at the one at the top, the miner, the KS5 Pro, $132 a day. Are you freaking kidding me? That is insane. Let's go down to the KS3M. Not $132 a day. Love to get my hands on the KS5 Pro, but the KS3M here, more realistic. Right now, on the income side of things, it is saying it's $39.92 a day at a 10-cent kilowatt hour, brings us down to $31.76 a day. So based off of that metric, when we look at 30 days, it's saying we should be somewhere around $952.71. So let's remember that number, 952. Right around there, right around 950. That makes it easier to remember. So now let's go out and check out our model, check out our KS3M, talk a little bit about how it's been doing over the last 30 days. All right, let's take a walk outside. Oh, it is like amazing weather out here today in Pennsylvania. Let's go ahead and head to our crypto mining shed here. And let's head inside and take a look at our IceRiver KS3M. One thing that's really bothered me with it, and I'll show you guys real quick. It's not gonna let me in. There we go, cool. Hop inside. Gotta turn our light on. Ooh, it's a little warm in here today. Nice weather out. So if you guys aren't familiar, our crypto mining shed here. Lots of goodies packed in here. We are just about maxed out, but let's head down this end. So we have our ASICs here. Yeah, we're running out of room. We got our mini ASICs here, but our full-size ASICs getting stacked up in the corner. So if you guys are interested, the Goldshell SC Lite. Here is our IceRiver KS3M, and then our Also, this one's awesome, which is the new DG1. But I don't know if you guys can hear like things ramping up and down. This unit here, the IceRiver KS3M, I'm gonna stand back a little bit. Hey, it's been making money, which is great, but it continues to ramp up fans and then ramp them down. Ramp them up, ramp them down, ramp them up, ramp them down. It actually gets really annoying, and I really don't know why it does it. The fans are set on auto, but none of the other equipment in here, not even like the Jazz miners up top here, none of the GPUs, none of the mini ASICs, none of these other units do that. Just the IceRiver KS3M seems to do that. Now, there is a manual fan control option in there, so we could adjust that. Oh, taking off again. We could adjust that if we wanted to make it stagnant, but I do like to utilize auto fan on a lot of these ASIC miners because of the fact that I like it to kind of control itself and do everything itself if it needs to, versus me set it statically and then it get too hot and things like that. But other than that, it's worked out great. Great uptime, no problems, no issues, no challenges. Nothing is overclocked about this, if you guys are curious either. We haven't done any overclocking on it. I wanted to run it completely stock, especially for our testing. All right. I don't know if I mentioned before, it does have it is running on a C19, or yeah, C19 plug. And man, look at this Ethernet mess. Oh my God, I need to rerun everything. Not enough time, but yeah, we're getting pretty maxed out on our electric in here, as you guys can see. All right, let's head inside and take a closer look at our profits on the IceRiver KS3M. All right, so we've been mining with our IceRiver KS3M from Coin Mining Central for a total of just over 30 days. We're going to take a closer look at just the 30 days here in a minute. Over here on ViaBTC, this is the only miner that we've had on this account. We haven't had any other KASPA miners on here. At first glance, it's telling us right now that we have made 291 KASPA per day on average. So if we come over here to CoinGecko and we put that in, that says we're making about $40.96 a day, which is awesome. We're starting out really, really good. Things are looking really good. We do have on this account here, total earnings are 11,900 KASPA. And the account balance here on the right-hand side that includes like pending and stuff is 11,847. Now, hold the phone. We are going to export our transactions and just pull out a 30-day time window, as we've been mining over 30 days now. So some of these numbers might be a tiny bit skewed here and there. Taking a look at our workers, our KS3M, as we talked about, is the only miner that's been mining. Our 10-minute average is about 5.42, so a little low, but our 1 hour is 6.03, and our 24-hour is 612. So everything is looking awesome. So if we come up to the top left and go to assets, we can scroll down to KASPA. And now this has been running for over 30 days. It started on March 8th. If we do the math, we'll do the math here in just a minute. But this is saying here that we've earned 11,847 KASPA, which is totaling about $1,661. Insane. However, let's take a closer look at a 30-day time period. All right, so we've exported the data, we've summed everything up, and we have made 10,437 KASPA. So let's jump over here to �CoinGecko and drop that in. And we have made in revenue $1,465. So let's throw that into our calculator here. That's our revenue. Now let's look at actual metrics on the electric usage. So on Mine the ASIC, it is saying here that our monthly income is $1,199.05. So we're already doing far better. We went from $1,199 to $1,400. So we're already performing better than advertised, which is awesome. Now it is saying that our electric usage should be $244.80. And that's based off of the estimate on the power usage of 3,400 watts. But in our last video, when we unbox this and test this at the wall, it's actually using 3,329. So if we go over to Omni Calculator, we type in 3,329 and 10-cent kilowatt hour for 24 hours, it's using $243.18. So a little bit of savings there versus the actual calculator. So let's take this and we'll put it into our calculator here. We'll minus out the amount of electric, and our true profit, what we're walking away with, is $1,221.36. Now, if we look at Mine the ASIC, it's saying $954.25. So we've actually made out pretty dang good. Now we have to keep in mind, as we looked at, we saw the amount of KASPA per day goes down and down and down. So we just made this on the last 30 days. This is definitely looking at future 30 days. So that is something to make sure that you're super careful about, that this type of miner is not going to make the exact same amount per day. You have a lot of factors to keep in mind: network difficulty, network hash rate, and then the biggest one, which is the KASPA emission schedule. So as you're looking at buying a ASIC miner and you're trying to decide, do you not want to buy it, you need to keep in mind, especially with KASPA, out of all of those out there, that kind of diminishing return that is existing right now. But I'm super happy. In 30 days, we made $1,221.36 with the IceRiver KS3M. Once again, huge shout out to the team over at Coin Mining Central for sending us over the IceRiver KS3M for testing. What a successful month. $1,200 in KASPA. It's been sitting on via BTC this whole time. I cannot wait to transfer this over to my wallet. If you guys are in the market for a KASPA miner, well, whether it's the home KA box that we looked at the top of the video, or you're interested in the IceRiver KS3M that we've been testing out, I will leave a link directly down below to Coin Mining Central. That is a site that I have used for several years now. I've been partnered with them. I've purchased miners directly from them as well. Great success. Ships in via DHL. Import tax and shipping is all included on the price that you see on their website. Not only is there a link down below, but there's a discount code to give you a pretty hefty discount off their site. All right, I got another KASPA video for you. Actually, two. The first one is the IceRiver KS3M unboxing setup configuration video. Take a look at it. Take a look at some of your actual metrics versus what is advertised. And then we also have the Goldshell KA box KASPA video. If you guys are a home miner and you guys are looking to get into KASPA, this is a fantastic miner for you. Check them out.